our history exactly reflects, is the mirror of what we are seeing in the background tonight. It's a Christmas time. Merry Christmas to all of you. May the Almighty God have showering of blessings to each and everyone. And this is one of the oldest Christ Church being governed by Diocese of Lucknow. A beautiful star, red star. The gardens with twinkling bright lightings of various colors, and the people belonging to this community बहुत अच्छे से, और ये जो छोटे बच्चे यहाँ खड़े हैं, What's your name? आपका नाम क्या है भाई साहब? Naughty होंगे? So okay, thank you बेटा, thank you. No, excuse me, I'm not getting what you people are doing exactly.
You are not getting what we people are doing. Actually, we are in the church, and you know that it's Christmas Eve,
Yeah.
and we are trying to decorate our church on the occasion of Christmas. So we are making it ready. Actually, we are quite late, but we hope so. We are going to complete the decoration by tomorrow afternoon. So you can see that we have already done few of the things.
Most of the shepherd's hut.
No, we are not making the shepherd. This is the cone. I'm going to decorate it with pine cones. You can see the
Yeah.
pine cones over there. And I have got the tree, the leaves of pine from Lalital itself. They are very much original. So they are coming. So we are going to decorate the cones with the pine leaves and the pine cone. And the mistletoe, you know, this is mistletoe. So we are going to decorate it, and we are going to put on the pillars.
I have been a long time stayed near Goa.
Okay.
So I stayed,
Yeah.
Father Francis Church.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to talk to you. So this is
There they used to have some rock show type of thing late night. Music and everything.
okay, but we on 24th, no, because we have service, church service. That is midnight, watch night service at 11.
Right.
So we used to, come to church at 10:30 for the service, the first service of Christmas, And 25th morning we have the second service. That's the main service of Christmas. But the main, first service is at 11, 24th night. So we are decorating. This hay is actually for making wreath. I'm going to make wreath this time. This is the old wreath. I made it last year, So from this hay we are going to make the wreath.
Can you just please kindly pick it up for the camera? Ethan, sir?
This is the old one. Okay, no, public. You can hold it.
They're so nice of you.
Yeah, thank you so much. So, which church do you go? Do you go to church like you're from Goa?
No, I'm not from Goa.
Okay.
I'm from the state. I did my studies in the
Okay. So it's okay? Nice to see you all. Hope to
We
see
used
you.
to go that church.
That's St. Andrew's Church.
Yeah.
Kawabak.
Yeah.
That's also CNI Church, because this church and St. John's, Kawabak, St. Mark, they are also, that belongs to CNI license, no? We are sister churches. Okay?
So definitely with sincere prayers for all of
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you so much.
For better ending of this year and excellent start for the coming year.
Yes, and we are waiting for.
To all your family and to everybody
Thank you so
belonging
much.
to this
Thank you
church.
so much, and same to you all. Happy Christmas and wish you a very happy New Year to you and your family. Do
Thank
come to church 25th. Please celebrate with little snacks and all after the service. Do come and enjoy.
What time?
Morning service starts at 9:30 in the morning, no?
Right.
On 25th. And if 24th night, I told you just now, watch night service, that start at 11.
24th night.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes, late night.
11. Okay, I'm Vivek.
Okay, hello,
and
sir.
this is the
Nice
Jitendra
to
camera.
meet you.
Your name, please.
My name is Anjali Rayfield. I am school principal of a very small school that is at St. John's, Punjab. Basically, I am from Punjab. I've been married to Punjab, Sri Lanka, but been settled here in Gorakhpur from last 5 years. So nice to meet you.
That's a very humble reply. That's very promise to a small school, but I know that when you are
I
there,
hope to see that
the
school one of the
students-
best and renowned and famous school. I just want to bring it up at that place.
लेकिन वहीं के
need your prayers.
बच्चे छोटे बच्चे जब बड़े बनेंगे तो आपको बहुत खुशी होगी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I'm just waiting for that.
Yeah, definitely.
And thank you so much.
बाहर खड़ा होकर शायद हम सब का इंतजार कर रहा होगा, इन्हीं खूबसूरत लाइटों की तरह, इन्हीं खूबसूरत झिलमिलाते हुए सपनों को सच कर देगा एक दिन. वो आपके बच्चों के लिए हो, आपके घर में बुजुर्गों के लिए हो, आपके मिलने जुलने वालों के लिए हो, आप सभी सबके लिए. Really, the deepest of my heart, wishing you all Merry Christmas and obviously 2022.